Funny.
Oh, what do you do with this? Can I have it?
Alright, I'm just reading this. Rachel, we're leaving. Rachel, come on.
Okay.
Rachel, we're leaving.
Everything else in the entire world.
No, we are leaving.
Can I please
We're
love your
leaving.
Oh, it hurts.
We're the obnoxious group that no one likes. We're checking out. Come on, Emery.
Come on, Rachel. Rachel. Rachel.
But I need a box.
You don't need a box.
Because I do.
You don't. Come on. Come on.
Okay, okay.
Can you walk or do I have to drag you?
Oh, what are these straws? Are they reusable?
They're not reusable. They kill the earth. Where did Jake go?
Skunks. Aren't these pretty?
Come on, Lily.
They're very pretty. Carpets? Oh my gosh, I want that. It's like interpretive art, but nothing like it.
Quiet. Deep breaths. No. Where did Jake go?
Bathtub.
Where are we? How do we get out of here?
Oh my gosh, I love lamps. I've always wanted one. Jimmy took my lamp to incubate a duck.
The sad thing is you're not kidding.
You needed this duck warm. And I said, yes, you can. Oh.
Do you have $30 to spend on a lamp?
Yes. Yes, in my head I do.
In your head you do. Come on, Rachel. We need to catch up with Jake.
Those are pretty colorful. Oh,
We'll come back tomorrow.
I got the stuff out my nose. Oh. No, no, Jake, no. Wait, I want chocolate.
We
If it's
got
good.
chocolate.
Wait, does it taste good? Can I try
We
it?
don't know.
Can I try it?
Okay, Emery.
Whoa,
Hardest
what
thing
are
I've
these?
ever
Oh my
done.
gosh, those are awesome and artistic. Can I roll in my head?
Come on, Emery.
Rachel Ballard, come on.
Rena, look at it. It's elegant like me.
Come on. Are you buying it? If
$20.
not, put it back. Jake, help me.
That's about that. That is a picture. What if they're only 5?
Guys,
Oh no, they're so cool. Oh wait, they're 10.
we'll come back tomorrow. I
I
promise.
couldn't find it.
I promise.
You promise? Cross your heart and hope to die?
I do.
Oh my gosh, can I have everything?
No.
Are we going to a big place?
Come on.
Actually pointing to the exit. Oh, let's play hide and go seek. Oh, Jake, we're gonna play hide and go seek.
Walk down a hall in IKEA without like thinking screw ADD in my head the whole time because I'm like my brain's like going like this, and then walk through a hall at IKEA and exit.
What's wrong with the chairs? Like,
No, we're checking out that
oh my gosh, those are
That's
pretty
not a
aesthetically
checkout.
pleasing.
Why is that not a
I want
checkout?
them because they're aesthetically pleasing and multiple colors. Do you think I can mix and
This
match?
way.
Point the way, Jake. Or you'd be like a reindeer.
The arrow points the way.
Reindeer. Jake the
That big one.
pale face reindeer. Wait, I think you're an Indian. Never mind, Indian.
No, we can't.
Look at the chair.
We don't have to look
Look
at
at
it.
the
That's the
chair.
scary part.
Fish.
Self-checkout.
Self-checkout.